My baby have not been sleeping for some days now because of cough. I buy cough syrup tire, nothing more. I can't remember one app where I see where they use natural remedy. My people now say I say make I try am. I squeeze orange juice, add 1 spoon of honey, small pinch of salt, and sprinkle turmeric. Mix am well. Now so I mix this thing, give my baby 1 shot. She drink. My people, the cough disappear. We sleep like king and queen. And this cough they disappear. I no see cough again. Sometimes the best remedy they find dey for my kitchen. Try am, give your pikin. You go thank me later. But as it stands now, me, I no dey buy cough syrup again because e no dey work. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow me. Bye.